Hey everyone, welcome to Discover the OC. I'm Jules Wilson, your host and lifestyle realtor with Seven Gables Real Estate. Listen, I'm all about supporting local businesses and giving you tips on how to make your life even better. And today I'm with Gina Kiz. Now, Gina Kiz is the founder and CEO of Pet Angel Services. Now, a lot of us, Gina, love our animals. So you are offering such a great service with your business. So tell us all about it.
Well, Pet Angel Service is a concierge for all kinds of animals, dogs, cats, etc. And we'll even take care of your crocodile if you have one. But we'll take care of your pet when you go on a trip. If you need the pet walked, or if you need physical therapy for your pet or special needs, we'll provide the food for the dog and cook for the dog or the cat, whatever you may need. So we're very hands-on. We do everything very detailed. We will come and do an assessment as well for your pet. And we're the best around. They call me like a dog whisperer, and actually I really have a sense for what's going on with the dog. I really, or the cat, I can really read animals, and we just love what we do.
Well, now you mainly go to people's homes, like if they're gone for the weekend or what's the longest you can take care, or is there no limit?
Well, there's not a limit really. During the holidays, one of our people is taking care of a little doggy named Georgia for about 27 days.
Wow.
Just to give you an idea, she's going to be staying at the house, doing everything for the dog, taking her for walks, bathing, grooming her, doing everything for the dog actually.
Well, what I love about you is our we had to put our dog Little Hunter to sleep, unfortunately, but we're going to be getting another dog. And what I love about what you do, Gina, nothing against boarding your dog, but this way if the animal still feels like nothing's changed other than the owner's on vacation, right? Coming to the house is so important.
Yeah.
And I know you have such a passion for animals. So listen, the holidays are coming up, right?
Yeah.
So how do people get a hold of you to schedule?
Well, we're on Instagram, Pet Angel Services. Our telephone number is 949-545-4400. And if you're a first-time customer, we'll offer you a 20% off, so you can have a feel of how we are and what we do.
Well, one thing I love about Gina, you had 4 dogs, and now your
Yes.
one passed away. But tell people how long, because I know you make all your food and take care of them like they're human beings, right? How long have your dogs lived?
Well, the majority of my dogs live about 22 years. I had little Sugar Rose, which was a rescue. This little doggy had sarcoma 3 times, and she lived to 22. And she was on remission, and she did not die of cancer.
Wow.
She still lived a long life. I just recently lost one of my really big dogs, 21 and a half.
Wow.
And this dog had never ever been sick. It's all about the food. You should know, and he's lived 21 and a half. Even Chewy sent him a gift on his birthday. Because it's very rare that a big dog lives that long.
Yeah. Well, once again, what I love about Gina is it's the personal concierge touch. And I know you also keep your prices affordable. You like to work on that.
We're lower than anybody else.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, and you serve pretty much anywhere in Orange County, Gina?
Yeah, all over Orange County. Yeah.
Okay. Well, once again, tell people again how they can get a hold of you. Because listen, for Thanksgiving and Christmas, I know you're booking up, but Gina has such a heart for animals. I think you might be part animal yourself somewhere. I'm not really sure. But you have such a heart for animals.
I think I was a dog in another life.
Well, tell people again how they can get a hold of you and schedule.
Yeah, you can call us at 949-545-4400, or look us up on Instagram, Pet Angel Services.
Well, once again, thank you so much, Gina. For a lot of us, our animals are our babies. And it's such a big part of our family. So I just feel really comfortable and encourage you to give Gina Kiz at Pet Angel Services a call, because she's sincere, she loves animals, and you'll feel really at peace having her take care of your animals. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you.